Guys, good morning. It's 9:30 in the morning and I slept at 4 a.m. So it's alright. And guess what? Today I'm going to take myself on a date and I'm going to vlog it for you guys. So welcome back to my channel for a second time of your life if you are watching Nikistic Life. So I planned this date last night, but then Mama said that just don't go tomorrow. She said that just go any other day. But then today, just now, she said that if you wanna go, let's go. So yes, let's get ready. I'm gonna go brush my teeth and I'll take a bath and then I'll see you. Let's do a cool transition. Hello, I'm back. Now I'm gonna do my skincare routine and you know what it is, and if you don't know then the video is somewhere there. Just click on that, and by the time Mama is cutting cucumber for me, I just added some accessories. These earrings, I use this necklace as a bracelet today and it's looking really nice, and then I added these rings and I'm looking cute AF. So yeah, this outfit is giving me so cute vibes and at the same time a pinch of sexiness. So yeah, it's perfect for a date with myself. It is job, but I'm too lazy to eat it like one by one. I'm so excited. I want to go ASAP, so I'm just gonna finish it. I'll see you later. So I'm going to keep all these stuff inside the bag. So wait, everything's nice and packed. Just my tripod is popping out of it. Now we'll go and have something and then we'll leave. I'm all set to leave, but Mama just added a twist. So I have only 50 rupees for this date, and guess what? Bhaiya took away the scooty, so I'll have to go by public transport now because in 50 rupees I cannot afford the cab as well. So yeah, we are gonna go by public transport, and I'll see you directly in the park. I just stepped out of the bus and guess what? It was a bus where I was the only female. I know it's weird, but that happens with me all the time, like most of the times, and it is like that only. Finally, I have reached the park. There are some people fighting over I don't know what because I cannot understand what they're saying. So, let's find a nice place to sit and then I'll set up my tripod and we'll start a pretty little date. Guess what just happened? The park is closed for now. What the fuck? It'll reopen at 4. And I'm supposed to go back home when it'll be like 4 or something. What the fuck? Now I don't know what to do, but I guess I'm gonna... This is not good. See. Okay, I've reached the second destination that I chose, and I'm just hoping this park is not closed, because if that's the case, I just don't want to go on dates anymore. Like, not with myself, at least. So I can see people over there. And I'm just hoping it's open. And I guess it is because I can see a lot of people. Oh my god. Oof. I'm so breathless right now because I had to walk a lot. Because the buses just don't come inside the colony, so oh my god, this date is just, it just didn't start it well. Now I'm gonna go and again find a good place, then I'll set up my tripod, then I'll see you. Finally I found the place where there is the least crowd, but still there are uncles who are staring at me. I just sat, relaxed, unpacked my bag, set it up my tripod, and then I just want to have some water now. Well, I know it didn't start it well, but anyways, we are going to appreciate it that we are now sitting here at a calm place in between the nature, and we are going to have our date as we had planned. Of course, I didn't plan anything, but still we are gonna have it. So yeah, now I am going to show my gratitude towards the universe by just writing it, and I guess that's a really nice thing to start with when you are on a date with yourself. So yeah, I'm gonna do that now. Let's do it. And that makes me feel so good because that's a nice thing to start with when you wanna calm yourself down. And yes, that is something you should do for sure, and I do it every day. So yeah, that's not a new thing for me, but I didn't did it at home today because I was so much excited to come here. Not exactly here, but for the date. So yeah, I'm here, and now what we are gonna do is we're gonna go and have a round of this park, and I'll show you what it is, how it looks. So yeah, let's go. The beauty of nature. Guess what? Who I met just now? My seniors from my earlier school. Let me show you. So ये दोनों मेरे सीनियर्स थे मेरे पुराने स्कूल से, और ये दोनों मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पहचान पाए, लेकिन मैंने इन्हें पहचान लिया. So that is so bad, but still कोई बात नहीं. I'll forgive them for that. So yes, मुझे कंपनी मिल गई थोड़ी देर के लिए. I'll see you later. So yeah, we just discussed a hell lot about Gyan Jyoti, and that's superb. Now they just went to get something to eat for me. The benefit of being the smallest girls around. So yeah, that just happened. So they'll be back in a while. Till then, I am going to just enjoy the moment and just be here with me and enjoy the happiness. So though it's not a solo date anymore, but still, it is a nice one because you know what? It's so calming, so soothing. I think I should do more of these. It's just awesome. It's just an awesome feeling. ये देखो, छोटी बहन होने का फायदा, भैया जी हमारे लिए कुछ खाने को लेके आए हैं. And now we are heading towards National Handloom. So बहुत सारे फायदे हुए आज मुझे पुराने सीनियर से मिलके. ये सब मुझे बहुत कुछ खिला रहे हैं. So yeah, apparently this vlog was a solo date, but now it is not that anymore. That's the beauty of going with the flow. Let's go! So today is basically school reunion day. मुझे सारे पुराने स्कूल के मेरे सीनियर्स मिल रहे हैं आज. So yes, it's not more a solo date at all. Cheers to the tea. So I kind of forgot to update you that I left. Now I've reached home. Like I stepped out of the bus and now I'm walking towards my home. So yeah, that is it for the vlog, guys. Signing off for today. I know it was not what I planned it to be, but anyways, bye bye.